Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing and instruction video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bealviy Series 4 45mm case compatible with iWatch. It is a screen protector for your Apple Watch. Overall protective case, high definition, clear ultra thin cover compatibility with the iWatch case Series 4, and you have a 2-pack. Nice, perfect design fit for iWatch Series 4. 45mm high quality TPU case with built-in screen protector. The watch is of course not included if you buy this cover, of course. Using this kind of product at gym or sports activities may cause the moisture from perspiration to be trapped between this product and the watch screen. This is due to the nature of the product as it does not stick to the screen. It is a shock-proof design. It's made of high-quality anti-scratch TPU. This case covers the full front and curved the edges of the Apple Watch, offering full protection for your Apple Watch against scratches, drops, and bumps. It is case-friendly, easy access to all functions to the watch without having to remove the band. Also has no impact on signal reception. And here it is. It is, I think it's made from silicone a little bit, silicone, and it is easy to install. We will have to remove the band first. We have to remove all 2 bands and then we are able to get the case into position. I think the only problem here is if you are going diving, I mean underwater diving, or if you have a shower with your Apple Watch after you install this iWatch screen protector. A little bit of water drops will be between the Apple Watch screen and the case. This is not so nice. Here you can see I remove the band and now it's ready to install. I think it's not so nice because of this water drops between these 2 films, and it is every time if you have these drops behind the screen, or behind, not the screen, behind the protector, you have to remove the case, then you have to clean up the case and reinstall. It is easy to install and easy to remove, as you can see, but it is every time after you have a show with a watch, after you have a workout with a little bit of water, sweat is coming out. If you go swimming at the swimming pool, of course, too. And I think this is not so nice. But it is a cheap product, and it is the cheapest way to protect your screen from scratches and other problems. Here you can see you have to slip the cover over the body of your Apple Watch, and here you can see a little problem of the installation. On one side, where the host of the band is, the cover is slipped inside it. For this, we have to use a little screwdriver to get this back in position, but it's no problem, it's not a big deal. And you can use your Apple Watch after installing the screen protector easily. It is nice, it is a nice haptic, it is a nice feeling, and everything works, no problem. It is a natural touch feeling after the screen protector is installed. That is nice. But the problem is the water. The water is really the problem of this product. But if you like your screen and your edges, the alternative way is to get a screen protect by using a glass, of course, but the glass is not for the edges. If you like to have a full protection, a 360 protection, I think, with the edges and with the screen, this screen protector is the right thing to use to protect your Apple Watch. But if you are going to like to have no problems with water drops between the screen protector and your screen, you should use a glass. But then you have the problem with the edges. Or you are not using anything of that, but then your protect will be getting some scratches. It is difficult, really difficult. But now let's see. The product is nice installed, everything works fine. The screen protector makes this work easily. As you can see, everything works. I can slide, I can use the digital crown. Everything works. Nice. Then let's go. Next step is we have to reinstall the band. It is easy to reinstall, as you can see. Only slide the bands back in position and job's done. Then, after this job, your Apple Watch is 360 degrees protected by using the iWatch screen protector. I like it, but a little bit problems with water. But if you have this information, you can handle with this information. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.